State history, wildfire victims now face winter and the challenge of cleaning up their property in time. 2 months ago, the wildfires covered much of our state, destroying homes and uprooting lives. Now, victims of the Okanagan Complex fire are taking their first steps to rebuild, and they're getting help on the local and national level. KXY4's Allie Norton was in Omak yesterday. She's in the studio tonight with that story.
And Nadine, this is still very fresh with the victims. Many are moving forward, but it is difficult at times. Thankfully, there's help coming from the outside that's making it a little easier.
We really loved living here.
20 years of memories now piled in this concrete.
A lot of our life was here.
20 years of memories destroyed in minutes on August 16th.
Fire came 50 miles an hour through there, engulfed the whole house and the porch and everything.
Arnie Olson lost almost everything in the Tunk Block fire. His wife wasn't in the area that night that flames took over their home. Unfortunately, their family pets were.
Lost a horse, 2 dogs, 2 cats.
Arnie thinks about that day often, how he was able to narrowly escape. Now he's back, clearing what's left. The first step in the process to rebuild. And while he was alone that night of the fire, today he has company.
They are so good. That's the 3rd load, and I thought it'd take 50 loads at least.
A national nonprofit called Christian Disaster Relief sent their team to Omak earlier this month. Their team is clearing debris. They've already been to 35 properties in that area and are still taking more. Robert Enns explains the labor is just the physical part of the job. They really just want to lift spirits.
It seems but a little bit to clean up their place, and yet it does seem to give them a little hope to have everything cleaned up.
And for Arnie, it's working.
They make you realize that life isn't over.
And Christian Disaster Relief is doing this all free of charge, and they will stay in the area until the end of October. Also should mention that Team Rubicon out of California is also helping clear properties. In the studio, I'm Allie Norton, KXLY4 News.